Well, hello everyone, I'm Derek.
And I'm Solanda.
And welcome back to our channel.
We be tripping.
So this is day number 47 of 53 days SC. As you can see, we're nearing the end. We've had a blast. It's getting kind of, I think I'm starting to miss home a little bit. Only because yesterday I received a call from one of my neighbors and it was like, hey man, what's going on? Did you move? It's like, nah, I didn't move. He's like, man, I'm looking at your grass. Your grass is kind of high. So I was like, I cut before we left, cut the grass really low. But it was also in April when I cut the grass. So, no, not in April. It was in February when I cut the grass because, and the grass really wasn't growing. So, I cut it. It was about that time to cut it real low anyway. And he said they've had a lot of rain. And so now apparently the grass is growing. So I felt kind of bad about that. And that's one of the things that I didn't really consider, the grass to be gone for almost 2 months. Grass is going to grow. So, that's like one of my things to make sure that grass is always cut. But anyway, we got up yesterday. We went to lunch, not brunch, because they didn't have brunch yesterday.
No, they didn't have brunch, but we was throwback because the time went back. Yeah, time went back. So we didn't know the time it went back. So we was up an hour earlier for lunch. So that means that when we went down, now we have another hour. So we sat around, and when we got to lunch, we had did we have fish and chips? Yeah.
Had a Caesar salad, fish and chips. That was pretty decent.
Brownie.
But I was looking forward to the brownie. Had the brownie. This brownie was better than the brownie from the last cruise. The last time we had lunch. So this was good. What you think about the brownie?
It was all right. It wasn't as hard. It still was kind of hard.
It's soft between the teeth. That's all I can say. But I mean, hey, I enjoyed that brownie. And after lunch, we went on
Five for a little while.
Five for a little while.
You played trivia?
I did the airplane competition. I went to the airplane competition and I came in dead last. Apparently, I folded the paper version of Spirit Airlines and that's just a joke. I'm not in it, nothing to say against Spirit. It's just a joke. But yeah, my plane, it was soaring, and then I turned around and went in the rafter somewhere. I don't know. Still, my plane got lost. So anyway. That was that. We went back up. To 5.
And I was ready to take a nap. With the time, we had went to bed late the night before. Right. So the time had to mess me up. So I went and took a nap.
Yeah. And so did I take a nap yesterday?
No, you was working on videos.
Okay. Yeah. I was editing the videos and stuff like that. So anyway, after that, we went to...
We met up with Shawana for dinner.
Yeah, we went to dinner. And for dinner, what did you have for dinner?
A lobster.
How was that? I don't know.
Oh, no, I didn't eat. It was a Mexican menu yesterday. Yeah. And I got some kind of stuffed pepper. Mm-hmm. And I didn't eat.
I know I had a Mediterranean salad. And I'm trying to think about what I ate.
I did have a fruit plate for dessert.
I had a fruit plate as well. Fruit plate was okay.
Oh, you had salmon.
Oh, I had the grilled salmon. Yeah, I had the grilled salmon.
I should have went with that too.
That was okay. Grilled salmon and mashed potatoes, vegetables. It was okay. And we like after that we talked for a long time. And see, that's the thing. Whenever we have family with us, we do a lot of talking and stuff, So when in the casino, had a little slot tournament, cause Elantra missed the other one, and we went to Lido, to eat like their late night buffet, whatever it is.
I think they should keep the pizza and get rid of the late night buffet.
Yeah, because the buffet has really been, it hasn't been good. Hasn't been good at all. You know, and it seems like it's kind of like the same thing. And they have pizza on the late night buffet, but it's not the same. It's definitely not that pirate pizza that you get during the day.
It look like it's sit, or the bread is thicker.
Yeah, it seems a bit petrified.
Sit all day.
Yeah.
It look a mess.
Yeah, it seems like there's a lack of effort in that late night buffet, you know. And it seems to be different because I remember before they would have like chicken tenders and stuff on the buffet on the midnight.
I don't know
buffet.
if it's because of the ship we own, but I think the Jubilee buffet was better than the Glory buffet. But
yeah, I think that has been the one thing that is kind of lacking on the ship, has been that late night buffet. And let's see,
and room service.
Yeah, and room service, correct. And after that, we, you know, went up to the room, called it a night. You know, did we miss anything?
That's it.
Yeah, so that's about it for day number
47.
For day number 47, sea day. This is a day of relaxing and catching up on things, reading, whatever the little hobbies you have. You know, playing some games, conversation. Just chilling and relaxing. So that's it. So until next time,
Keep tripping.